Hello and welcome. This is Neha here, and today I'm going to talk about a very special challenge that is coming up in April. And every blogger worth his salt should try and complete this challenge. What am I talking about? It is A to Z, the Blog Chatter A to Z challenge. A to Z challenge is just that. You have to write 26 posts from A to Z. So you could either write on a theme or you could just write posts that revolve around the alphabets. It's not even compulsory. You could write anything that you come up with and just sequence them as A to Z. The idea being that you should be able to write 26 posts in the whole month of April. This is nothing less than a blogger party, and it is participated and attended by bloggers from world over. Blog Chatter in India has been championing A to Z for quite some time. I have participated in it at least a couple of times, and it is a crazy ride. So why should you attend? One, it will make you write consistently. You need extreme planning. You need to know how to ensure that you are reading, writing, sharing everything every day. So it will help you be a better blogger because you will be planning things ahead. You will be meeting a lot of new people. You will be forming a tribe of your own because almost every topic that you can think of that you love, you will find a blogger out there who's writing around it. I have been able to make a lot of friends by just attending A to Z and completing it. Eventually, when you complete it, the kind of happiness and the reward that you get out of it, the joy, that is unexplainable. It is, mind you, it's not easy. You will have times when you are crying, you are ready to leave, and you are just dead tired. But your blogger friends will also be there who will help you and support you and tell you that just that one last mile, go ahead, you will do it and you can do it. That itself makes this whole challenge worth experiencing. I am participating in the upcoming Blog Chatter A to Z, and I hope you do too. The link for registration is in the description below, so don't forget and sign up. Apart from this, if you need any other tips or suggestions, do check out their blog rolls, because a lot of bloggers who have participated in the past have added their tips, their ideas, their suggestions, and that will really help you. Don't forget, the last date of registration is 25th March. So don't miss out, do register. My tips for someone who is trying to attend A to Z for the first time, that would be one, either write on a theme or not, but if you're writing on a theme, then ensure that you have your topics planned full A to Z. If not, at least most of them, so that as you go along you can come up with some more. Apart from that, if you can draw a rough structure of your post and keep that ready, that will be super helpful, because then you are not cracking your brains on what next do you have to write, because once it starts you will have very little time to actually come up and think with a new concept and do something completely different. 3, do write meaningful posts. People that I have read posts that are like 4-line haikus, or posts that are like really short stories, to posts that are 1200 words plus. But each post is really well thought out. People have put in a lot of blood, sweat and tears when they have come up with the theme and the topic, etc. It's really nice to read. So do ensure that you put in that kind of effort when you come up with theme and concept. And finally, have fun. It is a place where you will meet a lot of like-minded people. So have fun and do participate. I am going to be there. I hope to see you soon too.